You've been curious about how the Oden's Eye Cosmetics looks on? Well, I'm going to try on the products that came in my mystery box. So if you want to see how they look on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's at home, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I did get the Oden's Eye mystery bundle and I paid $75 for that, and there was well over that back, as well as the Soul Mane 2 palette and set of gel eyeliners. So the palette itself is a $32.90 value. And then the set of gel liners, which is a large set. All right, we got all of these. That's a $60 value. There was also a highlighter, 2 single shadows, and a highlighter, so that one highlighter from the Soul Mane palette and another highlighter from the Norns, and this is so gorgeous. Look at that. And a lipstick. So what I thought I would do is just kind of play around with it and create a look for you guys, let you guys know my thoughts about it, how I like it. I mean, looking at it, it's visually very pleasing. Let's see how it goes on. So I'm going to, I already have foundation on and some bronzer and a little bit of blush, but that's it, because I knew that those products were not in this box. So I am going to start with an eye primer, and I'm going to use this Gerard Cosmetic Clean Canvas. This is in their white. So I thought that this would be a good base. To really make these colors pop. And I actually got this in a mystery bundle as well, because I would have definitely gone with their more neutral color. That's a mess. All right, so I have that foundation down of the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas, and hopefully, because it's white, it's really going to make anything that I put over top of it to pop. And here again is that Soul Mane palette, and I think $33 is not a bad price. This is cruelty free, so I do like that. And I think I'm going to go with this blue here that I swatched originally in the unboxing video. And if I can figure out how to put a card, wherever it pops up there, so that you can cue that up for your next video, I will try to remember to link it down below. Okay, so I've created kind of a outline here with coming out here and then the cut crease and then just going into the corner there. I like to kind of do that sometimes, to just kind of give an outline to where the other colors are going to go. Okay, I'm going to lay down some of this light blue, and then I'm going to go over that with this kind of periwinkle purple color. Next, I'm going to move in with this color right here. Then I'm going to finish it off with this purple right here. Then I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going to go into this color right here to do up in here. And I'm going to come back in with this one here, and I'm just going to finish up that crease. Now I'm going to take this blue highlighter and I'm just going to kind of add a little bit of that on. So I created a kind of a Northern Lights effect look. I don't know, that kind of just came to mind as I started mixing those colors up. And this was the Spring of Life. This came in 3 different shades. This is the Spring of Life. It's called a Mesmerizer, but it's a highlighter. Then I have the Soul Mane Moonlight Feel highlighter in Pink Star. And the embossing in there, that is just so gorgeous. So even though it looks yellow here, it goes on as a pink gold, so it kind of has a duochrome effect to it. Now next, from the Alva line, is their Kiss of a Fairy lipstick in Love Jasmine. So there is the lip color. I think it's very, very creamy, like the formula a lot. Kind of creamy like a MAC. If you've ever used the MAC lipstick formula, it's very creamy like that. Just going to add a little bit of gloss on top of it. This is the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Bronze Venus. I did get this from when it was still BoxyCharm for like $6. Really, really great price on it. And I'm going to use some of the eyeliners. Use some of the eyeliners in here, and I'm going to start with the black cream gel liner. I'm going to tell you, I'm not a fan of these. So the tip broke off. Then I went to sharpen it and it broke in the sharpener. So I'm actually going to get regular eyeliner and I will just use one of the bright colors in my waterline. And hopefully it doesn't break off. These seem to break because the very first one I tried out in my unboxing video also broke off. So, not a fan. Okay, I'm going to take these 3 cream gel liners and try to kind of complete that Northern Lights effect, starting with the green, moving into the purple, and ending with the blue in the waterline there. So not the most pigmented. I'm going to go over those with some of the same colors. So I'm going to take that greenish one, this lighter purple, and I'm going to go with this blue right here. Okay, now for mascara, I do have this Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. This is that Grande line. I really like this line. I have been using their eyeliner, which is actually not a felt tip. It's a brush. Oh my God, it's my favorite. I would definitely purchase that. Okay, so there is the eye with and without. Okay, there is my final look, and I think it's a very well pigmented palette. I really like the highlighters, love the lipstick. The gel liners I'm not a fan of. They're not highly pigmented, they break off very easily. Those are something I would maybe not pick up. That would just be my experience with it. Somebody may have a different opinion. It just didn't work well for me. Maybe it worked well for you, I don't know. The palette though, very, very lovely colors. Again, I did try to create a northern, it wasn't like, I didn't start off thinking, oh, I'm going to do a Northern Lights look with this. It just kind of evolved into it as I started to put the colors on. I thought, oh, this kind of looks very Northern Lights like, which is often how my looks end up. Like I start with not much of a thought or a little bit of a thought, and then it evolves into something else. So overall, I'm very, very pleased with the products in here, the palette, the highlighters, the lipstick. I haven't tried the singles, but they are very lovely. I believe I swatched them in my unboxing, so you will see swatches in that. But yeah, overall, I'm quite pleased. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. What do you think of this? And have you ever tried it before? I hadn't. I'd seen a lot of other people try it, but this was an opportunity for me to give it a try. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, and giveaways here. So if you haven't already subscribed, it's free. Why not? And it also makes you eligible for my giveaways that I have, and I do have many of them going on at any given time between collaborations or just ones of my own. So if you like giveaways, why not subscribe? There's a notification bell down there. It's right down there. It's looking kind of lonely. You've already hit the like and subscribe. Why not hit that notification bell? It does tell you when new videos are coming up, and it's all free. I don't charge for any of my content. So why not spend some more time with me? All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.